Hey, Hyatt Zilara fans, I've got some exciting news for you about a brand new Hyatt Zilara resort that's going to be opening up in Mexico in the Mayan Riviera this time. So, I mean, we don't have a lot of details. Oh, we don't really have any details about what is going to happen with the property, but we do know that it was previously known as Secrets Capri. So you'll recall that that property was located just north of Playa del Carmen, about an hour's drive from the airport, from Cancun Airport. And they're going to do a full renovation on this property. And so it's likely going to open sometime in 2022. I would say they're going to probably shoot for the first quarter, but it'll just depend on what extent of renovations they're going to do. This is only announced in a press release in the last week, so we don't have a lot of details. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future videos about this exciting new resort. It is a Zilara, so it's going to be adult only. And of course, it's going to have all the rest of the great things that we've come to know and love about the Hyatt resorts, which is no wristbands, lots of dining options with no advanced reservations required, top shelf drinks, and absolutely superb service. So super excited to hear more about this resort and share the information with you. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.